Hi everyone, Crystal here, back with another video. I'm going to be sharing some things that I created for a collaboration that I was asked to join. It's hosted by Janae, Happy Mail Obsessed. She reached out to a group of super duper talented ladies on Instagram, and she asked us if we wanted to join in on a Bits and Bobs collaboration, which you were to make 6 of your favorite like embellishments. And of course, I don't have 6, I have more than 6. So I created just a handful of different items. And so my swap partner is buzzinwithvee. So of course, when she paired us and announced who the partners were, I was shook. I literally was like, oh my gosh, what the heck am I gonna make V, because she's super talented? And I'm like, uh-oh, I better get my butt in gear. So these are the things that I made for her, or that her and I kind of agreed on. I told her I was going to make her an embellishment book, but I just did not have time to do that. So what I did was I made her this embellishment caddy. So this is following Tony's tutorial, Craft Purge, and I like this tutorial because of the size of the caddy. It's a good size caddy. I think it's like a desk, I don't know what she named it, a desk organizer or something like that, like a desk caddy. But yeah, this is super spacious, so you can fit a lot of things in this. I think it's, let me see, it's like a little bigger than a 7-inch in width, and then the height on this is like 6.5 inches. So I mean, it's super duper spacious. So I love the size of this, and so I decided this is what I want to house some of the embellishments that I made for her. So here is the front of it. Sorry, I have this thing on my desk, but it's so cute. And I used Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story, which, you guys, I swear I've never used a collection so much in my life. Like, I've just been chipping away at this collection and I still have a ton of it left. I'm like, what in the heck? Yeah, so that's that. And this is the front. I just used the swan paper for the base, and then did like a cluster here. This is just from the chipboard. I did a paper ruffling. I like every project that I make has to have this paper thing that the Vintage Goose, she did a tutorial on, and I'm like, I love the look of it. It just, I don't know, it's just so pretty. So I did that, and then I did a cluster of hot air balloons here, a little swan, a little tiny rainbow in the back. And then this flower here was gifted to me by Kayla's Crafts, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's so pretty, so I have to include that on this project. And then these are from the Flower Pack Ephemera, and these are from Caddy. And so I just love how it all came about. But this one is recently hauled from Hobby Lobby, and this is a bow from Amy Tan. And then on the inside, I just reused the packaging and I made her some Mylar butterflies, and I just love how they turned out. There's 3 layers, and then a 4th layer for the flower center, which I've made these as well, and I just thought that was super cute. So I gifted her that. And then I'm gifting her some of these doily from Martha Stewart that I picked up from Michael's. Why is this crooked? This tape on this Mylar, oh, you guys, I'm just like, what is going on? But yeah, so I made a Mylar shaker bag topper, and I just love how this turned out. And then this is just an embellishment from Kayla. And then I just did this like flagging over here of paper. So I just gifted her some of that. And then I made some of my, I gifted some of my page or flag embellishments. And I just love how they turned out. So cute. You guys, these are so awesome to like just add on top of your projects. It just like gives it extra dimension. So I love it. So this is like my go-to embellishments. So I gifted her some of those. Then I made her some bows using the Sweet Story collection. There's some under there as well. But I just like the scallop shape of these bows. And then that's the bag topper that I did for this one. Okay, and then I gifted her some of these. They're like moving all crazy in the bag, but I gifted her some of these. I just love these so much. They're super duper dimensional. I just used a mixture of ephemera that I cut out. That I printed out and cut. And then I used some puffies over here. I like use puffies, some sequins. But yeah, I just love these and how these turned out. And then I gifted her some tassels. Oh, this one came off. Sorry, V, this one came off. And I want to mail it out, so. But yeah, I gifted her some of these super cute tassels. And then last but not least, I gifted her 2 of these paperclip embellishments that I've been loving making. Just love it. And then here is just the bag topper that I created for this one. I did some stitching, of course. And then one of the flowers that I made. So yeah, and then I added one of the Dollar Tree tassels because I just love these things so much. I just love the added look it gives. Let's see, how did I try to shove these all back in here the way it was. And then I can put it in the box, or I'm gonna bag it up and call it a day. So there's that. Oops. So there's that. Okay. And then I made her a 3 shelf. What is wrong with me? Every video that I record, I swear, these things have a new name. 3-tiered suitcase. And so I just love how this turned out as well. Super cute. There's one of the embellishments I made. I might still decorate the side. I'm not sure, but probably am. But on the inside of this, I made and gifted some of these like ruffled butterflies, and then I accented it with some mylar paper, which you can't probably see because it's kind of the same color as the background, but I love how they turned out nonetheless. So I gifted her, I think, 5 of these. But yeah, I used the body. Again, I just love the body of that Momenta die, which is the reason why I kind of just got it, was just for the body. I already explained that in a previous video, but so there's that. That's what's in here. And then on the second one, will these go back? Oh my, let's see. On this, I don't want to ruin them. They're so delicate. Sorry, guys. Just trying to shove them back in. And then on the second one, I just gifted her some rosettes that she can alter herself. Sometimes it's so much easier to just alter them, you know, and they're already made for you. I always say that too. And then here I just made a bunch of rolled roses on the bottom with some of the paper. And then I made some of these, or I gifted her some of these. And then I gifted her some of my felt flowers. So this is just pretty much a flower compartment. So that's my suitcase. I always have to gift these whenever I'm doing a swap. I don't know why, but I'm addicted to making those. And then I followed Christian, who is Christian's Crafty Adventures. She made this super cute girly gym bag on a live one day, and I didn't have time to watch that live, but I was dying to make it. And so I decided one day, okay, I'm gonna do it. So V and I decided this is what we're gonna make for each other. So here's the little tassel that I created, or dangle. This tassel came from Dollar Tree, but I took it apart and used the colors that coordinate with this bag. Here is the front. I just used one of these big flowers, and then one of my ephemeras that I created. Then I stitched the letters. I outlined the letters by stitching them, and I love how that turned out. But this is so awesome because you don't need any dies, and you don't need like a die cutting machine or anything. So it's just all from scratch. But yeah, the back right there. And then on the inside of this houses one of these embellishment things that I gifted Tony as well. But I wanted to gift one to V also. So this is how this one turned out. This is just using, again, another embellishment that I created with the page flag, or this flag embellishment with the dangle. And then on the inside, it just has a bunch of different beads that I gifted. Just some heart ones, some butterflies, flowers, some of these clearance Michaels beads, some Dollar Tree iridescent pink, and then some more clearance Michaels beads there. But I love this little thing. I got this actually from Daiso. I don't know what the heck it's supposed to be used for. Maybe pills, but I'm like, these are my kind of pills right here. Pretty pastel pills, gosh. So I gifted her that, and I hope she likes that super cute gym bag. What else? So that's project number 2. And then I made her, because I just was dying to make these. You guys saw in my recent haul that I hauled these, what do you call these things? Ornaments. And so I knew I wanted to make these ornaments. I mean, these gumball machines. So this is the first one I made. And I was watching Cheryl's video, Cheryl G, on YouTube, and so I saw her making these, and I'm like, I want to make one. But she is so right, you guys. This shaker thing on like a rounded sphere is not the business, guys. it's like, it just does not work. It doesn't shake, it doesn't do nothing. It's just there to be cute. So there's that. But I just love the sequence mix I made, and it's so fun. It's just so pretty. I love it. So I gifted her this, and I put my little Handmade by me. And then on the top, I didn't know how to adhere this little piece right here. So I was like, well, what the heck can I do? So I added this like flower. I punched it out and added that little flower shape. And I glued it right on top, and I added this super cute bow. I don't know. I love how this turned out. So that was just like a little extra. It's just for decor. You can't really take anything out of it. And then, what else? That's it. Those are my projects for Buzzin' with V, and I hope she likes what I created. V, I hope you like what I made. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will try to answer them as best as I can. And make sure you guys follow our channels. I will link them down below for you guys, so you guys can check out each and every lady that is participated in this collaboration. But yeah, make sure you guys check them out. I will leave everything down in the description box for you guys so that you know which ladies participated. All right, guys, I hope you are having a fantastic weekend. I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.